Okay, what's up, motherfuckers? Another motherfucking video. The guys on Facebook must be fucking bored as fuck. But if you're here on this YouTube channel to learn about eBay, Amazon, Shopify, subscribe to my fucking channel. There's no other fucking channel on YouTube with this many videos. I have over 1,000 videos on dropshipping, so this is where you need to fucking subscribe. Anyway, what the fuck I was talking about? This I know this is gonna fuck you guys up with the title, but this is the worst fucking time to start dropshipping on eBay. The fucking worst. Someone asked me, someone commented on one of my, what's up dudes? Someone commented on one of my videos saying, hey Mark, with all the changes on YouTube, on eBay, I think it's the worst time to start. I'm wondering about if I should start dropshipping on eBay or not. So let me explain what I mean. This is for eBay dropshipping, Amazon dropshipping, Facebook ads, Shopify dropshipping, all of these online businesses. Every day you wake up and decide you want to start this new business is a bad fucking time to start the fucking business. So eBay has some changes. Yeah, boo-hoo, they changed some algorithms, some people not making as much money, right? But when we fucking first started to dropship on eBay 6 years ago, or when DS domination started maybe 10 years ago, DS domination is shut down now, right? eBay was not as cluttered, but there were problems. There were a ton of problems. Walmart wasn't shipping on time. Fucking Amazon was shutting down accounts quicker. And yes, we could have returned money if the item went out of stock and it wouldn't hurt our seller standard, but there were problems. And then they added the fucking seller standard thing, and then people were like, I don't know if I should fucking dropship because now we need to like keep our prices correctly, and if shit goes out of stock, they'll ding us. And then some people dropped off, and some people like, fuck this, it's gonna be too hard. And then they made this tweak with the fucking feedback thing, where negative or neutral feedback was gonna help fuck up your seller standard, right? eBay has since then realized that is bullshit. But fucking, like, a lot of people dropped off because of that, and then they changed. And then I'm sure there's a lot of fucking people that were saying, hey, this seller standard thing with feedback is too difficult. Let me not drop ship right now. I'm saying all that to say that the whole point, the whole essence behind being a fucking entrepreneur or behind starting to dropship and starting your own motherfucking business is to solve fucking problems. So if you know that the process works and people make boatloads of money, but just a little bit harder. No, I don't watch a World Cup. Yeah. It's a little harder, and your thing is, maybe I shouldn't start eBay dropshipping because there are problems. Then you shouldn't start any fucking business, right? If you're looking for some fucking shit that'll give you free money, none of this is for you. I'm not saying that if eBay dropshipping does not work, to go try to make it work, right? That's not what I'm saying. But there are like tons of fucking YouTubers showing that they're making a boatload of money. There's a group, Honest Dropshippers, that I fucking own that has almost 40,000 fucking members in the fucking group. And there are a couple hundred people in DSHini, and we sold over $20 million last year on eBay through DSHini. So if some fucking problem is why you don't want to stop dropshipping, just give the fuck up. But there's no, you could always justify not doing something. So if you actually want to make back, just fucking do it. Like, I don't make these fucking, I try not to be some motivational cunt, right? All those motherfuckers, huh? See, I try not to be these motivational cunts trying to fucking get you guys to do shit. But just fucking, if you want to make money, do it. If not, just don't fucking comment on my videos. Subscribe to this motherfucker. If you want to make money dropshipping, look in the description for my free training. And fuck, I'm just in a bad mood today. Goodbye.